What's up YouTube, this is Lily from kickstalknet. Here's my website, kickstalknet. And today I'm so excited. I will introduce this new blazer. You can check these very hot shoes. So beautiful. Okay. Firstly, let me check this toe box. You can check this toe box. Is great toe box, and you can check this material. Okay, so great. Okay, second, you can check these gray laces, these gray flat laces. Let me show these strips, and you can check this writing shoelace. Okay, now right here, check this shoe tongue. You can check this tag, Nike, and the orange swoosh. Okay, go ahead, let me have a look inside. You can check this gray inside with black off-white logo. Okay, now check this. Let me show this size tag inside. It's a little hard to show this tag. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now check this button. I love this button so much. Do you think it's really beautiful? Okay. And also this midsole is very beautiful. You can check this gray, purple, and this red. Okay. This is yellow. This tag is yellow. Okay, it's a big black swoosh. Okay, now check this material, and you can check this stitching. Every detail is wonderful. Okay, here's the tag. Okay, and last here, let me show this zip tie in yellow. You can check these details on this zip tie. Okay. Okay. Please check this side again. The shape. The back. You can check this part. This made by Swish. And you can check this big Nike. And also come with this coat. The double stitching. Perfect. Okay. Now check this side. You can check these writings. Okay. Wonderful. The inside. Okay, and also the come with these extra black laces, so you will have two different laces. Okay, now check this box. This is the box. The size tag on the box. Open the box. You come with this tissue paper, the white, and this of white tissue paper. Okay, every detail is wonderful. If you want to get more information about this pair, welcome to my website kickstalknet, and you can directly contact Lily. This is my website. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.